Will unblocking someone on Snapchat restore our old chat history?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting question. Will unblocking someone on Snapchat restore our old chat history? If you've been wondering about this, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and find out the answer.
Understanding blocking on Snapchat.
Before we get into whether unblocking someone restores old chat history, let's quickly go over what blocking means on Snapchat. When you block someone on Snapchat, it means you're preventing them from sending you snaps, viewing your story, or contacting you through the app. Blocking is a way to restrict interactions with someone you don't want to engage with on the platform.
What happens when you block someone on Snapchat?
When you block someone on Snapchat, a few things occur. First, they will no longer be able to see your Snapchat story or send you any snaps. Second, they won't be able to find you in their friends list or search for your username. Lastly, any existing chat history between you and the blocked user will be cleared.
Unblocking on Snapchat.
Now, let's address the main question. Does unblocking someone on Snapchat restore old chat history? The answer is no. Unfortunately, unblocking someone does not bring back the chat history that was previously deleted when you blocked them.
Starting fresh.
When you unblock someone on Snapchat, it's like starting with a clean slate. The previous chat history will not be restored, and you won't be able to view any previous messages or snaps exchanged between you and the unblocked user. It's important to keep this in mind if you're considering unblocking someone on Snapchat. To sum it up, unblocking someone on Snapchat does not restore your old chat history. When you block someone, the chat history gets deleted, and unblocking them won't bring it back. So, if you decide to unblock someone, be aware that you'll be starting fresh without any access to your previous conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video clarified your doubts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you next time.